Hello, fellow crafters, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and I will be creating a clean and simple Christmas card for Christmas in July. I'll be cutting out some shapes to create a gift, adding some ribbon, a sentiment, and finishing the card off with some sequins. You can use your stamps to create a design of your own or some Christmas pattern paper for your gift box. It's really up to you. As you can see, I'll be using some glitter paper for this video, but at the end of the video, I'll show you a couple of others that I created using a stamp. Now, for the size of the shapes for the gift box, the bottom portion of the box will be 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. I found that anything larger than this just doesn't look right on the card panel. It's just too big. But of course, you can choose whatever size you like. You're really just cutting it out based on your preference. Now, for the top portion of this box, it's about 1/2 inch tall and slightly larger than 1.5 inches wide. I really just eyeballed it for the top portion of the box. Whatever looked right to me is really just what I used. Again, you can choose any size you want. So I'm going to throw on some music and I will catch you at the end for a quick review of all the cards. here is the finished card. I used a gold ribbon and finished it off with some silver sequins. And of course, gold sequins would work as well. But again, very simple, very easy to make. Here's another one I made with Altenew glitter paper. I used red ribbon as well as some gold sequins. And the next one I have here, I actually stamped and heat embossed in gold. And then I cut it down to size, adhere the ribbon, some more sequins. The next one was stamped with red ink, but I haven't added any sequins to it quite yet. All right, that's it for me today. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope that this video inspires you to create. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you at the next project.